Good morning, everybody. It's Chris here from Serene Education with the Forex analysis for the four majors for the 27th of October 2010. It's a Wednesday morning. I'm just looking at the euro. I'm looking at a four screen template, time frame, weekly, daily, 4-hour and hourly chart. Now you look at the weekly, for example, using our CTC strategy, you'll notice that as it stands now, the pair is failing to find support above the 200 period moving average. I'm going to do a fib projection. I think we're seeing 100% of this move on this time frame. Yeah. So we see this extension here is 100% of the initial move, so it's well and dusted. I mean, if going forward we can see the pair closing higher at the close of play Friday, and it's still above here, then we could see a good opportunity of a breakout pullback and then continuation to 161.8, which would be another high around here. But at the moment now, it looks like we're actually going to see almost an evening star pattern where we're getting bull, indecision, and then bearish. So if we see an extension further down like this, then it could signal that we could, and if it closes like this come end of week, then we could see further selling for the following week. Our CTC, however, is blue across the board, so ideally we want to see is to all be red. Let's have a look at our daily time frame. Yeah, an exhaustion candle. 2 days prior, this came on previous resistance at this level here. Oops, got the wrong one, apologies. There we go. Failure to break higher than the previous highs above 140. Got in this exhaustion candle here, and we've been shorts ever since. Now we could see a retest. It's testing the 20 period moving average now, but we could look at 137 as our next target because we've been there before. If failure to break this, would see that definitely. We had a swing low, that was a high, and now we've had a further swing to the downside, so momentum is taking it down. So we're in this squeeze pattern now, you can see. So this will be our support area, that's our resistance area. I'll just make that nice, change it so you guys can see. There we go. So we're looking along here. If it fails to break higher in the next coming days, then we could just see it retesting the 137 and then subsequently lower, which would be a break of 137. We could see it go all the way down to roughly here. There might be a bit of a stop between at 134.50 and further fall into 133.00. Okay, so our 4-hour time frame. There we go. It's testing a intermediate support resistance. Then we have another support resistance just around the 137 mark. A further one, 135. So these are the areas it'll go to if it fails to break higher. You can see that the swings to the downside on this particular pair. Swing, swing. So low swing lows to the downside on our 4-hour and our hourly entry candle. All red. You can see that across the board. Okay, we're negative. Still swinging lower. As long as it stays below the 20 period moving average, we're still in a negative trend. Ultimately, our target would be down here at 137 just for this time frame to start with, and then lower. Okay, so what does it have? So CTC strategy wise, we have sell on a 1-hour, sell on our 4-hour, and then we've got indecision on both the other ones. So make sure that if you're looking at those as entry levels, make sure it breaks previous lows in order to go even further. Okay.